What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world. My name is EQ. Welcome to EQ Trades. Now, before we get into this AVAX video, let me just say that none of this is financial advice and none of this is paid for by the AVAX team. I just have a very bullish sentiment on the project long term, and I wanted to talk about it before I think that price can impulse. Now, if you don't know what AVAX is, it's currently sitting number 14 on the top 20 list of crypto projects. And AVAX is a layer 1 blockchain similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, where it's going to be a standalone blockchain. Now, one of the things I'm really bullish about with AVAX is that they have something for everybody. So some of these ecosystems and projects, they don't necessarily cater to all the potential people that could get adopted into the ecosystem, but you can see right off the bat, they have something for developers, they have something for users and retail users, they have something for enterprise solutions, they have applications already, they have their communities, their DAOs, they have all the tools necessary and their foundation as well for people that want to build on AVAX. So there's everything that you would need in an ecosystem like this. I would honestly compare it to something like Polygon Matic, except you're getting a layer 1 versus a layer 2 solution. And what they're saying here is 100% correct. Choosing the wrong blockchain can kill your DApp before it ever has a chance to succeed. That's 100% the truth. There are blockchains that if you build on the wrong ecosystem, they're not necessarily built to either scale or they might not be built for the DApp that you're using. So it's really important to make sure whatever network you're going to be using is compatible with the ideas that you want to build out. And AVAX praises themselves in having a low-code tooling configurability, and it basically allows you to launch your Web3 innovation in less than 60 seconds. And you have two founders of two big projects, Aave and Chainlink, that are on this website talking about how good and beneficial Avalanche can be moving forward. And when you talk about big partnerships, AVAX just partnered with California, the state of California, where they're digitizing 42 million car titles on the AVAX blockchain. So basically what this means is that the digital titles will be claimable by vehicle owners through the DMV's mobile wallet app. And this basically allows customers to track and manage their pink slip vehicle titles digitally, and it also cuts down on trips to the DMV and the post office. So again, I love to look for projects that are making big partnerships, so something like this is definitely bullish for me. When you're looking at the tokenomics of AVAX, you can see we're sitting at an $8.4 billion market cap, which is pretty high. You do have a 720 million max supply, which means it's going to be finite, it's going to be deflationary. And currently the total supply that's been released is about 444 million. So there's definitely a little bit more supply to be released, which can deflate the market per se. But all in all, I'm very bullish on this layer 1 solution. And when you look at the charts, something that I love to see is that we're testing bear market prices. Not only are we testing bear market prices, we're also testing prices from 2021, which for me personally is super bullish. So for example, even if this did want to push from current price to test, let's say the 2024 all-time high, you're looking at a 200% move. If it tested the 2021 all-time high, you're looking at about a 600% move. And then when this pops the top, the sky is the limit at that point. But those are going to be some critical resistances that I'm going to be watching moving forward. The main reason why I'm looking for that 60, as you can see in 2021, we've tapped the 60 range, like just short of that. We did it again in August of 2021. And we just did it recently. We did break over by a few dollars, but we also hit the $60 resistance in 2024 and sold back off. So that $60 resistance is going to be critical for AVAX, but at the end of the day, when you're looking at this from a bullish long-term perspective, you're buying in at the bear market prices. So that's the best time to be getting into projects. That's when most people brag about buying into projects. So if you have long-term conviction on a project like this, then this could theoretically be a really good play going into the super cycle into 2025. And whenever Bitcoin wants to get up to, let's say, 120, 150,000, wherever it decides it wants to top out. If you're new to crypto and you want to learn how to trade, I would highly suggest checking out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I'm going to drop the link in the description, and it also should be clickable in this video. It does come with a 7-day trial. And as you can see, one of these tier 1 spots did open up. It is first come, first serve. So whoever wants to grab that, feel free. And this gives you access to our academy, our trading view overlays and oscillators, and our Discord. I hope you have an amazing day, and this is going to wrap up the video on AVAX. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I hope you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in, and I'll catch you on the next video.